So you are passionate and well educated, but still can't seem to reach your goals. If you're wondering how to manifest your vision into reality without expensive tools and some weird meditation retreat or traveling across the state to discover her, then keep watching. If that doesn't sound interesting to you, feel free to click skip on this ad, and sorry for wasting your time. But if you're tired of seeing your vision on your vision board, yet you keep going round and round in circles despite having all the tools and feeling like finally living a life of passion and purpose is an impossible to reach goal, then I urge you to listen closely. Because you see, the biggest reason I see a person who wants to reclaim their life and achieve their goals struggle to create their dream and live a life of passion and purpose and stop feeling empty inside, it's not because they are not using instructive books, attending seminars, and getting coaching and counseling, despite what the gurus and religious experts might be telling you. Instead, it's because they are not utilizing the unique system that is foundational to all creative processes. If that sounds interesting to you, I invite you to click on the link and I'll show you how exactly I have achieved my goals, my clients have achieved their goals, and how you too can. My name is Esther, and for the past 20 years I have helped over 100 people start and grow their own successful businesses and ministries, reclaim their lives and relationships without needing any expensive courses, and they avoided the feeling of emptiness and purposeless living. This really started for me many years ago when I went to primary through high school in English. But at the university level, I was forced to attend the only university in my country of origin, Cameroon, in French. Needless to tell you, I did not make it. Being out of school, I was suffocating in frustration and felt like life was being choked out of me. I had passion and desire to further my education, but had no one to help me. And from then, I started looking for tools to succeed. I unknowingly tapped into a code for success, and within months of using that tool, I found myself in Atlanta, Georgia. Years later, I revamped and updated that tool when faced with other challenges. I helped myself and my co-workers, and in the process, I discovered a code that is hidden in plain sight, using for problem solving applicable to different situations. I went on to help many people, from teaching kids to read, helping people with their health and relationships, tutoring veterans, giving leaders tips, mentoring and coaching both adults and young adults nationally and internationally. I want to show you this effective code, and you do not have to attend another expensive course to achieve your goals. Since 2002, I have been helping busy professionals all over the world like Fabian and Kerry, who were feeling unfulfilled, unmotivated, and lost spiritually. They could not achieve a purposeful or meaningful life. But after a transformational process with me, they then went on to achieve their dreams without wasting any more money and time. With my system, I was easily able to cut through everything in their life and merely find out what the core issue was. And once we fixed that, their life was a breeze. They were able to manifest all their dreams and live a life of passion and purpose.
I am the General Overseer of City of God's Delight Ministry International. Few months ago, I really was devastated and I had no one to stand by me. She had to coach me and mentor me to be able to start over the work. And the ministry is doing well and blessing the life of so many.
I am so happy and blessed to have worked with her, and I'm hoping to do the same again soon. I'm a senior level technical writer. I currently work for Morgan Stanley. I got as far as this in part because of the work I did with her. This is a true testimonial to someone who helped me see more of what I could do. More of what I could do for myself, more of what I could do for my company.
I know you're probably watching this and thinking, Esther, are you kidding me? Just like every other relationship coach and life coach out there who promises to teach us how to achieve our dreams and reclaim our lives and relationships. Listen, I get it. I totally understand being skeptical, which is why if you click on the link on this ad right now, I'll be showing you undeniable proof that this is real and people just like you are getting out of repeated failure, achieving their goals without some expensive methods that wasted their money and time and getting results that are not long-term. This is just a short YouTube video ad, so I obviously can't explain everything here. So click on this ad and learn more, and I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Thank you.